Alright, this is by Kenny and Anthony. It's called This Beat Go Hard. And we're basically talking about how we go hard. You know. The beat is by Pajama Production. Here we go. This is so hard, I am sick of rapping hard. Stop me, hard, nigga think this rap game is a game. I will put your raps in shape, your raps are lame. Ladies love me and they know I'm about to get the fame because my rap game don't come around me, because I will give you a coat with my fist run. They supposed to be good because I know how to flow. One day my rap game will show. My rap is cold, it's freezing now here. Let me get you a coat so you can cheer for me and come on, put your hands together and say, Kenny rocks the show. You should already know, he know how to flow when he gets on the show. Niggas is quitting cause Kenny knows how to spit. They saying I spit so fast to get them more flashbacks. I spit on my fans, they know I am the man. To my haters, see you later, I am going to introduce my homie Anthony. Kill it, AZ. Go ahead and do your thing.
Alright, my name is Antonello, I rep the C. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm watching you, that's just how I flow. I kill this beat, I'm fresh from head to feet. Let's take a seat, let me tell you about me. I'm 13, the best ever seen, cause I'm so clean. Yes, I'm black, that's a true fact. I'm my own person, not a follower, and I'm not a gangster, that's upon my color. I'm not afraid to say it, I like a girl, left as a friend. She is in 6th grade, and to me, she will never fade away. And my homies Nate, Kenny, and Mary Jane. Anyone that doesn't like them are lame. They're not the one to blame. I have a good heart, too good to play your part. I play basketball and make all the shots. I won't stop till I get to the top. I kill the trap and I like it a lot. I'ma go to school and not be a dumb fool. I'm always happy on one day, but two people is hard to say. I'm in 8th grade. My young life is fading away. I paint a picture so my life stays in the picture frame, which is going to get me to my fame. So I'm ready when it comes, so everyone knows my name. I still regret New York, so I put a big apple on my fork and eat it for lunch. Cause New York is always with me, cause I'm fly like a beetle and sting like a bee. Now you know everything about me.